So I was going through my stuff and packaging everything up to be a bit more organized, and take a look at what I found. This was a box I made for the Valentine's line maybe 2 years ago, and I was so excited to open it up. This was just a Valentine's set where I had a soap, bath bomb, and large candle packed inside. Of course, this candle was strawberry shortcake, one of the 2 boxes I made. The other box had a black cherry merlot scented candle instead, and a more purplish box. The pink at least still looks pretty nice. These were colored with rose kaolin clay with a bit of rose petals inside, then scented with a blend of strawberries, cream, and chocolate fragrances. Smelling it 2 years later, the smell has morphed into like a soft tart fruit smell. So I guess the chocolate kind of just didn't survive. The chocolate at the top, it's just a blend of cocoa butter with poly 80, so it disperses in the water. And of course, you know, nice skin benefits with cocoa butter, and it looks cool, to be honest. But what I really want to see is, does it still work? I'd always heard bath bombs are best used within 6 to 12 months, so I kind of expected to just drop at the bottom like a brick and not do anything. But I squeezed it a little, it still feels pretty solid, so let's just drop it right in. Well, it did more than I expected. I know I made a rose clay bath bomb, but nowadays I prefer bath bombs with like a deeper color, like what I mostly make now. And back then I loved the idea of rose petals for Valentine's at the time. Plus I wanted something to match the Love Spell soap I made. That one was also colored with rose clay and topped with rose petals, so I just wanted them to be together. And maybe it's because of how much time has passed, but I do not like the look of the rose petals in the water. But after swishing my hand in it for a second, the fragrance stuck to my skin still pretty nicely, and I smelled, you know, kind of like a general tart fruit scent for a little bit after. So that just makes me want to bring this back, just with a brighter watercolor. But what do you guys prefer? Like, I don't have any problems making the same type again, where I just color it with rose clay and leave it at that. Or do you want me to try some like pastel pink or red water and less messy botanicals? I'll keep the botanicals in the soaps unless you really want them in both the soaps and bath bombs for Valentine's. But yeah, this is day 1 of Vlogmas. It's gonna be a mess, but I'll do my best to keep it up. I'm editing this at like 10 p.m. I'm hoping I can upload it at like 11:59 and barely make it, and be more prepared for Vlogmas day 2. Thank you. Bye.